Hey everyone, exciting news from Ukraine. A game changer in the drone world has arrived, introducing the Shmavik drone, the Ukrainian answer to DJI Mavic 3, but with a twist. Unlike its Chinese counterpart, this bad boy is tailored specifically for military needs. Picture this: a drone resistant to electronic warfare, equipped with a dual ammunition release system, and the ability to change frequencies on the fly to outsmart any interference. Talk about next-level tech. But wait, there's more. The Shmavik isn't just tough, it's also smart. With a GNSS navigation system and a directional antenna, this bird can filter out false signals and switch to manual control if needed. Plus, it's built to withstand damage and can be repaired right in the field. Now that's what I call resilience. What's truly impressive is the Shmavik's mission-ready stats. Weight without battery, 0.9 kilograms flight time, up to 80 minutes flight time with max load, up to 35 minutes max height, 1,500 meters max speed, 25 meters per second, and all this for just $3,500 USD. But wait, there's more to this story. The Shmavik has already undergone rigorous testing amidst radio interference, with 300 units put through real combat scenarios. And get this, a production line is in the works, aiming to churn out 500 drones per month initially, with plans to ramp it up to a whopping 2,500 units a month in just 3 months' time. Talk about scaling up fast. So if you're in the market for a top-of-the-line military drone that's tough, smart, and ready for action, keep your eyes peeled for the Shmavik. This Ukrainian innovation is set to redefine the game. Don't miss out on being a part of history in the making. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more groundbreaking tech updates. Until next time, fly high and stay safe.